Hey guys, if on your iPhone you notice this on the top left hand side of your screen, you see this blurriness happening with your time, don't worry about it. It's not your screen, nothing wrong with it. Let's just go on and fix this right now. Now it doesn't matter which iPhone you've got, an iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, it's the same fix for all of them. So let's get started. Go right into your settings. Inside your settings, scroll down, you're gonna see display and brightness. Just go into display brightness and then go on and change it to light mode. So right here, we're going to change this to light mode. You guys can see that it's no longer blurred. Change it back to dark mode. And if you were in light mode, you would change it back to dark and then back to light. So you can change it back to whatever you guys prefer and even turn off and on automatic. And then that's it. That's it. That's the fix. It just fixes that glitch. It's just a glitch. Nothing wrong with your phone. Don't worry about it. It's just something that happens once in a while. And most likely, this will be the first and last time you're going to see that glitch happening. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.